The chainsaw chain attaches to and rotates around the chain bar. The chain bar is made of laminated steel and has a groove in it all the way around the edge that the chain fits into. Chainsaw bars will wear over time. The chain groove will widen, which will cause the chain to tilt and pull to one side when cutting. Dirt is the chain bar's enemy. When dirt gets between the chain and the bar, it acts like sandpaper, quickly wearing the chain groove wider. Replacing the chain bar is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the bar and chain from the Lopper. First, I'll remove the battery. Now I'll open the loppers and remove the bolts that secured the bar to the saw. I'll remove the cover. Now I can remove the bar and chain. I'll start with the chain. I'll lift the chain away from the sprocket. And pull it off of the bar. Now I can remove the chain from the bar. And I'll remove the bar from the saw. Now I can install the new bar. I'll place the bar back onto the saw. Now I can install the chain. I need to place the chain so the teeth point the right direction. Notice on the saw, it tells you the direction that the chain rotates. The teeth should be pointing back towards the saw as they rotate. With the cutting teeth pointed back, I'll open the lopper and first place the chain around the tip of the bar. Then I'll work the chain onto the bar. Now I can pull the bar all the way towards the rear of the saw to release the tension from the chain and work the chain around the sprocket. And now I'll reinstall the cover. And that's how you can install a new chain bar on your chainsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.